Securing your digital world. Understanding secure Wi-Fi networks. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone who uses the internet: secure Wi-Fi networks. Understanding this concept is vital for protecting your personal information online. So, let's unravel the mystery behind secure Wi-Fi networks and learn why they are crucial for your digital safety. A Wi-Fi network allows devices like smartphones, computers, and tablets to connect to the internet wirelessly. Unlike wired connections, Wi-Fi provides the convenience of accessing the internet from anywhere within the network's range. However, this convenience can also pose risks if the network is not secure. Network security involves measures and protocols that protect data during its transmission. A secure Wi-Fi network is one that encrypts data, making it difficult for unauthorized users to intercept and understand the information being sent or received. Encryption is like converting your data into a secret code that only the intended recipient can decode. Securing your Wi-Fi network is crucial for several reasons. Protecting personal information prevents hackers from accessing sensitive information like passwords, financial data, and emails. Blocking unauthorized access keeps unwanted users off your network, ensuring your connection remains fast and reliable. Preventing cyber attacks reduces the risk of becoming a victim of cyber crimes such as identity theft and phishing scams. Securing your Wi-Fi network involves a few essential steps. Change the default username and password. Default credentials are easily guessable. Changing them adds a layer of security. Enable WPA3 encryption. The latest encryption standard, WPA3, provides stronger security than its predecessors. Update your router's firmware regularly. Manufacturers release updates to patch security vulnerabilities. Disable WPS. While convenient, Wi-Fi protected setup, WPS, can be a security weakness. Create a guest network. This keeps visitors' devices separate from your main network, protecting your personal data. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of securing your Wi-Fi network and how you can protect your digital life. Remember, taking a few simple steps can significantly reduce the risk of cyber threats. Stay safe online, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital world securely. See you in the next video.